Welcome to this special video. Today we are creating a unique NFL theme design that celebrates the new season in style. Stay with us as we will walk you through each step and show you how we bring this design to life using the NOVA Plus laser machine. In this project, we are using acrylic and ABS sheets to create a layered NFL design. The final product will be a stunning combination of intricate engravings and precision cut. Let's get started. So first, we prepare the material. We have here the black acrylic panel that will be used for the bottom and medium layer, and here the ABS panel that we will use for the top layer. So just let's place it in the NOVA Plus machine, fix it well to ensure that it will not move during the process. The autofocus is performed just one time because these two layers have the same thickness. And now, just let's proceed. Here is the design file that will be laser processed. I will use the black and the green line for cutting. The green line will be used for cutting the lower layer as well. And the blue lines for engraving. And this is the black lines that I will use to cut the middle layer. Let's open the design file into the LaserMaker software. Just refresh the camera to have the live view and place our three layers over the material using the overhead camera. This one is the medium layer and finally the bottom one. Now it's time to select the material parameters using the material library provided in LaserMaker. We just have to adjust the settings for each layer, for the engraving one, for the cutting one, and then send the file to the laser for processing. So now we are ready to engrave and cut the panels. First, we'll engrave the top ABS layer, and then move on to cutting each layers, ABS and black acrylic individually, all in one go. Let's push start on the laser and let's do its magic. For this example, the ABS is engraved with a NOVA Plus laser at 20% power and 1000 mm/s speed with 300 dpi. Once engraved and complete, the laser will then cut the ABS and black acrylic at 65% power and 30 mm/s speed. So, as cutting and engraving process finished, we are left with three perfectly engraved parts. The top part, top cover, that will be cleaned later, medium layer, and the bottom layer. All this totally ready for the assembly. The design is now set. And just looking so sharp and precise. Okay, so now let's proceed to the fun part. Let's assemble all our cutted part. So I have two kinds. I have the acrylic and ABS. I will use two different glue to stick it together. Let's first start by the acrylic one and just wait for about 5 minutes to ensure that everything will be well glued together. So let's now proceed to the assembly of the ABS and acrylic layer. So I just apply the glue. Okay, done. Now just wait a couple minutes again and let's see the final result. Crafted with precision and creativity. If you love this project and want to try it yourself, you've got covered. You can download the design file directly from the YouTube description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome laser projects. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.